Hello everyone, Canara Robeco AMC has launched a new fund. Let's look for some details. Name of the fund is Canara Robeco Manufacturing Fund. Scheme is going to open for subscription on the 16th of February, closing on 1st March. Units will be allotted on the 18th of March. Minimum investment required is of 5,000 rupees. It is an open-ended scheme having two option: growth and income distribution cum capital withdrawal, IDCW. Exit load 1% will be charged on withdrawal within 365 days. Benchmark of the scheme is S&P BSE India Manufacturing Total Return Index. This fund is for the investors having high risk-taking capacity. Investment strategy. The scheme seeks to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equities and equity-related instruments of companies engaged in the manufacturing theme. The scheme will be managed by Pranav Gokhale, Shridatta Bhandwaldar. The scheme will reopen for subscription, redemption within 5 business days from the date of allotment. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.